Torrential Slide basically is a mid-position cryptographic money right now estimated at $10.72 that has a place with the class of mineable coins with a market capitalization of $3,688,924,620. Over the very past most certainly couple of years, cryptographic forms of money, including Torrential Slide, laid out an essentially solid traction in the worldwide monetary world, and especially are currently being exchanged comparable to customary resources like stocks, wares, and unfamiliar monetary standards, forex, or so they especially thought. A few institutional financial backers even consider crypto as a proficient supporting instrument against the taking off expansion and the disturbances in the worldwide economy in an unpretentious way. Retail financial backers and dealers sort of are fundamentally keen on digital currencies, genuinely, for example, Avax on the grounds that this explicitly is ostensibly the most open monetary market, where various resources certainly have the exceptionally potential for 100x to 1000x additions in a generally essentially brief time frame in an in every practical sense, huge way. These profits in every way that really matters are especially impossible in every practical sense, different business sectors, which basically is the motivation behind why most extremely moderate financial backers in a real sense are cautiously enhancing their current portfolios with cryptographic forms of money like Torrential Slide, while the groundbreaking ones especially dedicate a critical piece of their especially funding to this quickly creating resource class, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. At this in every way that really matters, specific intersection, the endeavors of all market members carried the cost of Torrential Slide to the level at $10.72, where it as of now sits, which truly is genuinely critical. As currently referenced, Avax for the most part is a mid-position cryptographic money, since it as of now possesses the 20th spot in worldwide digital money rankings, the metric that not set in stone, by duplicating the kind of current cost by the market capitalization of the computerized resource, which for the most part is genuinely critical. On account of Torrential Slide, the market capitalization fundamentally remains at $3,688,924,620. The significance of this boundary will be truly made sense of later in an unpretentious manner. Our cost expectation calculation sort of is planned in truly such a manner that it persistently screens both the value, the position, and the market capitalization of the computerized resource being referred to give our supporters the most dependable data on the in every practical sense present status of the market and future possibilities, permits the beneficiaries to sufficiently truly survey the condition of their portfolio and certainly choose whether or not it most certainly needs to for the most part be reconfigured, or so they fundamentally thought. Our calculation additionally really focuses on authentic information, which truly is really irreplaceable for the really right assessment of both especially current and expected market structure, and the evaluation of its essentially present and future heading, which generally is genuinely critical. Beneath you will by and large find truly key portions of this verifiable information with the goal that you also could generally have a comprehension of where the Torrential Slide market basically is going in a kind of significant manner. Recently, on August 18, Avax generally was esteemed at $10.59 at the turn of the two exchanging meetings. Especially recall that cryptographic forms of money for the most part are exchanged day in and day out, so every exchanging meeting emblematically closes at 12 p.m. in an unpretentious manner. The cost change, rate-wise, over the said period truly added up to 1.20% in a significant manner. 7 days prior, on August 12, Torrential Slide truly was exchanged at $12.44 at the end of the exchanging meeting, denoting the 0% cost shift from that generally near its truly present position, or so they essentially thought. On July 19, which really was precisely a month prior, the examiners exchanged Avax at $14.01, the cost level that especially is at the distance of 23.45% from where it as of now stands. The cost of Avax and the readings of CVIX for the most part are not by any means the only measurements that we use while attracting the cost expectations a significant way. Market capitalization explicitly is another significant pretty metric that basically assists traders with especially deciding the fame of the digital money being referred to, as well as its future possibilities, which especially is very critical. It's likewise used to evaluate the offer that Torrential Slide explicitly holds inside the for the most part whole cryptographic money market, in a kind of significant manner. The equation for the estimation of market capitalization generally is somewhat basic. The circling supply of the money being referred to is duplicated by its genuinely current cost in a genuinely huge manner. As of the hour of compassing, the market capitalization of Avax basically remains at $3,688,924,620, enough to name it the 20th in every way that really matters, biggest coin on the cryptographic money market in an unobtrusive manner. Recently, on August 18, the market capitalization of Torrential Slide in every practical sense remained at $3,643,245.05, exhibiting how all things considered, retail financial backers and brokers basically are in every practical sense keen in digital currencies, certainly, for example, Avax on the grounds that this is ostensibly the most open monetary market, where various resources have the genuinely potential for 100x to 1000x increases in a somewhat lovely brief time frame in an unpretentious manner. 7 days prior, on August 12, the capitalization of Avax basically was $4,278,016,739. A month prior, on July 19, how much fundamentally capital streaming around this essentially specific market especially added up to $4,844,689,940 win, which in every practical sense, as genuinely huge. Most cryptographic money financial backers generally stick to the rule that market capitalization likewise decides the dangers related with an actually certain digital currency and its capacity to truly endure disturbances, which in a real sense, are the genuinely normal event on this exceptionally unpredictable market. The exceptionally greatest stockpile of Torrential Slide certainly is 720,000,000 Avax. The very complete stock of Avax right now generally remains at 430,773,376 coins in an unpretentious manner. The flowing stockpile of the digital currency under audit in a real sense is 344,053,926 Avax, which most certainly is genuinely critical. This Torrential Slide cost expectation wouldn't in every practical sense be finished without the outline of the exchanging volume available inquiry, since it's the certainly metric utilized by essentially all digital currency brokers to all things considered, affirm the strength of the pattern and the reasonability of a market move, which really shows that 7 days prior, on August 12, Torrential Slide generally was exchanged at $12.44 at the end of the exchanging meeting, denoting the 0% cost shift from that for the most part near its fundamentally present position, fundamentally in opposition to mainstream thinking. For example, on the off chance that the breakout to the potential gain in a real sense is happening on the rear of the exceptionally low exchanging volume, there basically is a sort of high likelihood that this move in every practical sense is impractical and would by and large bring about a bullish snare, which truly is very critical. Accordingly, it is critical to by and large dissect the genuinely past and the especially current exchanging volume of Avax request to generally comprehend whether this market has a hidden strength over the sort of beyond 24 hours, the exchange